Right, so an Astra GTE here. Gentleman had it booked in for ceramic coating and to make it look really nice. And then, unfortunately, this happened before he came in. So we're going to get it over to Kraftwork. And while it's there, I'm going to ask them to have a look at this. It's a little bit of rust at the bottom there. It looks like surface to me. So I think it would be a good idea to paint this sill. Let's have a look at the other side. Headlight looks a little bit cloudy. Maybe somebody's buffed that. Looks like they've tried to buff a scratch out of it and gone through the coating. Let's have a look at this other one. Yeah, this one seems all right for some reason. How weird is that? It just needs a bit of clean, but yeah, okay. Right. Yeah, so we're going to make it beautify it. James has asked me to put this little bit of video footage together. He's doing a coating on this car at the moment. Paintwork's been buffed, so it's all nice and shiny, and then we're putting the hydrophobic coating on it at the moment. This will last between, is it a year to 18? No, 18 months to 2 years, and it will make the car self-clean. You will have to wash it, but you wash it about half the amount of time, as well as it will just be absolutely mega glossy.
Astra GTE. Customers took advantage of our booking in early offer. So we've done a 12 to 18 month hydrophobic, super hydrophobic coating on this one here. Obviously had it buffed as well. It's been to our body shop for the tailgate, and we've done a couple of touch-ins as well. So let's just have a quick little nose. So it looks lovely and shiny. The tailgate's all been obviously fixed because it had a massive dent in it. There we go. It's looking absolutely lovely and shiny.
Woohoo! And that's the hydrophobic one, so you wash it about half the amount of times.